In this video, we'll show you how to use Cyclr to build a customized MCP server for any REST API. For this example, we'll use the publicly available API service from Transport for London. Start by downloading the OpenAPI specification for the TfL Bike API in JSON format. In the Cyclr platform, navigate to the Custom Connector section and open the OpenAPI release generator. Paste in the OpenAPI specification. Cyclr will automatically parse the document and import all available endpoints, instantly generating a fully structured connector. You can also add a logo to make it easy to identify. Once completed, you can see all of the endpoints from the TfL Bike API are imported and created automatically inside the Cyclr platform. In addition, from the connector interface, you can review and modify individual methods, configure rate limits, and set the authentication method. In this case, we're using API key. Once everything looks good, publish the connector to the live environment. Install the newly created connector by entering your API key. Use the built-in test interface to run a QA call against available endpoints and confirm the connector is returning data correctly before moving on. Next, navigate to the MCP Server section in Cyclr and create a new MCP server. Give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Next, select the custom TfL Bike connector you just created. Choose the endpoints you want to expose as tools for the AI to call. For each tool, you can also add a hint, a short description that helps the LLM understand when and how to use the tool, improving accuracy and response quality. Once the configuration is complete, Cyclr will automatically generate a unique MCP server URL for each of your customers. Finally, your customer can choose any AI agent that supports MCP, such as Claude or ChatGPT. Once configured and connected, all configured tools will be visible within the agent interface. Users can then ask natural language questions, such as which bike points are available near Waterloo Station. The agent will automatically identify the relevant tool, call the MCP server, and return an accurate, real-time response, all without any manual API configuration on the user's side. Behind the scenes, every MCP server transaction is automatically logged in Cyclr's audit trail. This gives you complete visibility into tool calls, request data, and responses, making it straightforward to monitor usage, troubleshoot issues, and support compliance requirements. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.